Ever wondered why some ED pills last just a few hours, while others can keep working all weekend? Today, we'll uncover the truth about Viagra, Cialis, and Levitra, what they do, how they work, and which one might be right for you. Chapter 1. What are PDE5 inhibitors? It all starts with a tiny enzyme that can stop your blood flow in its tracks. PDE5 inhibitors are medicines designed to treat erectile dysfunction. They work by blocking the PDE5 enzyme, which normally limits blood flow to the penis. When this enzyme is blocked, blood flows more easily during sexual stimulation, helping you achieve and maintain an erection. Important: they don't trigger arousal on their own. Sexual stimulation is still needed. Chapter 2. The Big Three. Viagra, Cialis, Levitra. They look similar, but each one plays by its own rules. Viagra, sildenafil, kicks in after 30 to 60 minutes, lasts about 4 to 5 hours. Cialis, tadalafil, works in around 30 minutes, but can last up to 36 hours, known as the weekend pill. Levitra, vardenafil, acts like Viagra, but may work a bit faster for some men, and is often effective for men with diabetes. Chapter 3. Key differences. Choosing the right pill is less about brand and more about timing, tolerance, and your body's needs. Main differences: onset time, how quickly it starts working; duration, how long the effect lasts; side effect profile, some people tolerate one better than others. A doctor can help match the right option to your lifestyle and health. Chapter 4. Side effects and safety. These pills can boost your confidence, but only if you use them safely. Common side effects: headaches, flushing, blocked nose, indigestion. Rare but serious: vision changes, sudden hearing loss. Warning: never mix with nitrate medicines for chest pain. This can cause a dangerous drop in blood pressure. Chapter 5. Final advice. ED isn't just about the bedroom. It's about your overall health. If you have ED, don't self-prescribe. Always speak with a healthcare provider to find the safest, most effective option for you. Thanks for watching. If this helped you understand ED medications better, like this video, share it, and subscribe for more men's health tips.